come to pass that's going to contribute to the death of you Babylonians, man. The Lord is going to send forth a very heavy spirit of death, which will be a fulfillment of Ezekiel, the 9th chapter and the 4th verse, where the Lord is pretty much preparing to release death angels throughout Babylon, man. See? It says, therefore shall her plagues come in one day, death, mourning, see, mourning, and you can see that we're on the rims, we're on the cuffs of mourning, the spirit of mourning resting and settling here in America, Babylon the Great. Right now, the Lord is taking away that spirit of mirth, and ultimately it will be replaced by the spirit of mourning. And what's going to contribute to that? Well, let's read on. It says, and famine. See, and famine, which is a very cruel form of punishment, especially in relation to America, Babylon the Great, which you have statistics out there where this is the most obese nation on the planet Earth. Well, that's nothing more than the Lord fattening up the cattle for the slaughter, so to speak. Again, it says, therefore shall her plagues, see, therefore shall her plagues come in one day, death and mourning and famine, and she shall be utterly burnt with fire. And she, which is America, shall be utterly burnt with fire. And that would be concerning World War III. See that? It says, for strong is the Lord power who judge of her. So we read in here where the scriptures is pretty much going into the climax, if you will, concerning the fate of the so-called white man. His throne, America, Babylon the Great, will be utterly burnt with fire. That's the ultimate plague. But again, that plague will be preceded by a series of plagues, which when you read 2nd Ezra, the 16th chapter in its entirety, it pretty much goes into a vivid illustration concerning those plagues. Now, there's a reasoning behind, the Heavenly Father sending these plagues before the